So, welcome to day 16. I just have you know that I have only been able to wave at one other Defender driver the entire almost 3 weeks I've been here. I'm on my way to go to an upholsterer to get some pieces made for the carpeting. We'll see how that goes. So I got measured for carpets, all that stuff is sorted. Then I had to go to the sandblaster to pick up parts. I don't know if you can see. Back of the car, totally full of stuff. Made it away to get something to eat and got called back, so guess what I get to do? I get to go back to the blasters and pick up the parts that I apparently left. Don't know what I left, but we will find out. Here's a better look at the stuff I'm taking to the galvanizer. All this stuff got shot blasted, sandblasted, and now will be galvanized. Next time you see it, it'll be all bright and shiny. Hard to believe that 2/3 of that is out of my truck. Okay, so I went to the powder coater. Powder coater wouldn't take any more of our stuff, so I get to go back there tomorrow and sort that out. But I did get the muffler replaced, which is a good thing. I no longer have that issue to deal with. I got my transfer box serviced, which is good. Put some oil in that. Next goal, oil change. So this is a busy day, but as you can see, I still have a ton of metal in here. Just servicing some oil. Yeah, there's a lot of it in here. The biggest headache of changing your oil is getting the filter out. Gets oil absolutely everywhere. Filter is right above this axle and leaks all over everything. Oil filter back in. I don't even know if you can see that. It's kind of dark under here. There we go. Listen to that baby purr. So, it's like 11:30 p.m. and I'm currently working on getting these hooks off of all this galvanized shit for the person I'm staying with. I also serviced my transmission fluid and got that sorted out. Gearbox oil, if you're saying it in English, apparently. Just gotta get this sorted, and I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm covered in hydraulic fluid. But just wanted to finish off this night and thank you for being here, and I will see you again tomorrow.